Another cool thing is that they take the burden from you, the burden of having to scroll through the internet looking for accommodation, the ones that suit you close to your university. They take that burden off you. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing great. If you're new here, my name is Kuskus. So lately I've been making content about student accommodation, types of student accommodations, factors you should consider before you book a student accommodation, whether you should stay in a university hall or in a private student accommodation or a private apartment in general. So that's what has been going on this channel, and some of you want to stay in private accommodations, and being that you are not in the city that you probably are going to be schooling, for instance, if you want to school in the UK or US or Canada, maybe you are still in your home country and it is time to make accommodation plans. I know how it feels like when you don't know your way around the place, you don't have anybody in the city, and you have to make accommodation choices. Most of you have been asking me, how do I book a private student accommodation if I do not want to stay in a university hall? So I'm going to answer that question for you guys, how to book private student accommodation. That's what this video is going to be about. So I'm going to show you how to book a private student accommodation using Amber Student. Amber Student is a platform that offers private student accommodation in destination cities for international students. They are present in UK, entire Europe, in US, in Canada, Australia, wherever you want to school. They have properties there for students. So the unique thing about this platform is that you have lots of options. You even have properties owned by other property agents featured on their site. There are so many options there. If you want to live in a private student accommodation, if you want to live with your friends, if you want to live in an apartment, an entire apartment, you have that option as well. Another cool thing is that they take the burden from you, the burden of having to scroll through the internet looking for accommodation, the ones that suit you close to your university. They take that burden off you. How do they do that? This is because, first of all, when you register on the platform, they are going to get your details and your preferred location, the number of flats and everything. They are going to get that, and they will dedicate an agent for you that would meet your need, that will get your desired property for you. And the person is also available to do a virtual tour for you if you're not in that city yet, or if you're in that city, the person will take you to the property for viewing. So I'm going to just go ahead to show you how to book your private student accommodation using Amber Student. So come with me and do like, do share, comment down in the comment section. Let's get the video started. Okay, so for you to get through to the platform, you have to click the link in the description box of this video, and it's going to take you to the platform. And then once you go to the platform, they are going to ask you to register your interest, and then you're going to fill in all your details, your phone number, your email address, your university, the location of your university, and all. The essence is just to give you an accommodation near your university. That's the very important thing about this platform. And then they're going to go ahead to ask you the name of your university, the duration that you want to stay for instance, how long do you want to stay in the accommodation? Is it 12 weeks? Is it 36 weeks? Is it 1 year? You would also go ahead and do that. And then they're going to ask you how many students will be staying there. Okay, this is the unique thing about private accommodation. For university halls, you're just going to take care of yourself. But for private student accommodation and on this platform, you can choose to stay with your friends, and then they'll proceed to ask you what is your budget per student for a week, and then what kind of room do you want? Is it en suite? Is it studio? Is it shared room? All of this is just to make sure that the options that they show you are peculiar to you, to your needs. And then once you are able to register your interest, they would get back to you via telephone or email within 24 hours. Now, before they get back to you, let's go searching for their properties, okay? What they have. So you can search starting with your city. I just did London. Then you have lots of options available near your university. You can search using the room type. You can search using your budget. So let me do that. Search using your budget. What's your budget per week? You make sure that you search within your budget so that you don't get to see options that you cannot afford. And it also saves your time as well. Then you can also search using the room type. Do you want an entire place? Do you want a private room? Do you want a shared apartment? They would also give you those options. They'll show you different options available close to the location that you already imputed. Okay, now let's go ahead and open up to see the pictures. There are sufficient pictures. Okay, pictures of the apartment. They would show you different views and all of that, so you know if it's spacious enough and if it is something you would want to have. Okay, and then when you open up the property, whatever property that comes up, they would go ahead to give you the entire details of that property. What are the community facilities there? Some of them have games room, free Wi-Fi, on-site management team, cinema room, free laundry, private room access, different things, that come with that particular accommodation. They will also tell you the prices that come with it. I think the platform is just very simple for you to navigate. Okay, so this is how it works. Basically, they would help you discover your accommodation based on your interests and your preferences, and get your paperwork done. Paperwork is very, very important because some people don't know how to read contracts. So basically, because they take care of international students, they can protect your interests. So they take care of your paperwork, and then once you complete the paperwork, you do your booking, your apartment is ready. They also have 24-hour service that you can contact them if you have any issues. And the good thing about the platform also is that you can see student reviews. Okay, you see they have over 653 reviews on their website, and you can read through student experiences in different apartments. Okay, when you even open specific properties on the website, you would also see reviews peculiar to that particular property. Okay, so that's another good thing about the platform that you would also appreciate. Okay, they have this student benefit program where they partner with service providers to offer vouchers and discounts and gift cards to students once you sign up with their code. So that's like, the benefit of using the platform as well. Like I said, they are available in different cities. All you need to do is input the name of your university, and properties within your budget would come up, and then you can check the reviews for these properties, the amount, the amenities, the facilities. Most of the facilities have gyms in there, bike storage, communal flats, outdoor courtyard, and lots of other things. And you will also see the different rooms that are available for the property. And then they have a cancellation policy, very interesting. Okay, they have a cancellation policy such that because of the peculiarities of the situation, the COVID realities and all, if you make a booking and you can no longer travel because of maybe there are no international flights to and from your country to where your university is, then you can get your refund. So guys, that's it. I have been able to show you how to book your private student accommodation using Amber Students. Okay, all your questions can be answered. They have 24 hours service there for you to call if you have any information. They also have their frequently asked questions where you can check for the answers to your questions. I hope this video has been able to help you. Okay, if you use the link to the description box to this video, I'm going to get a little commission at no extra cost to you. So what am I saying? This video is not sponsored, okay? That is just an affiliate link that if you sign up through the affiliate link, if you get to book your accommodation using the link in the description box to this video, then I'm going to get a little commission and no extra cost to you, okay? So that's me bringing you premium content and answering your questions and making life easy for you. Like guys, I wanted to stay in a private accommodation because I thought it was a bit cheaper than what I was going to get in a university hall. But after going up and down, searching for accommodations in different platforms, at the end of the day, I still ended up in a university hall because I didn't have anybody in the city to help me. I wasn't sure how safe it was to give out money because lots of international students have been defrauded. You see people show up online, tell you that, oh, I'm the owner of this property or I'm the agent, managing this property, I know the landlord, and then they ask you to pay deposit and you pay. Before you know it, you come to the city and then your phone numbers do not go through anymore, or once you make the deposit, you cannot reach them anymore. Lots of students have been defrauded by people who go around acting as property agents that are not. Okay, so you need to be very careful. You need to make sure that you know what you're doing, you know who you're giving your money to, and use platforms that have whatever you're doing. Read reviews, okay? Ask people questions. How safe are these people? How much do they deliver? So go through their website, read their reviews, and that way you can be convinced whether or not to use your service. That's it, guys, for this video. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If this video has been of help to you, do also give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment in the comment section. If you have any questions, you can drop it in the comment section as well. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye-bye. What am I saying? UK, US, Canada, most places that international students find attractive, or most places that international students go for school.